On the eve of the 15th century, Christopher Columbus, a man driven by an insatiable thirst for discovery, embarked upon his most daring voyage. Aboard the Santa Maria, he led a crew of brave men, setting sail towards the unknown, guided by the promise of a new world. The journey was fraught with challenges, the first of which was an unusual series of weather anomalies. The ship's log entries painted a vivid picture of the strange occurrences that plagued their voyage. Upon leaving the shores of Spain, the sea seemed to take on a life of its own. Waves, normally calm and predictable, suddenly surged with unparalleled ferocity, as if in defiance of the men's resolve. The sky, usually a canvas of clear blue, was shrouded in an eerie darkness, the stars obscured by a thick fog that clung to the ships like a ghostly shroud. As they sailed further into the unknown, the weather anomalies continued. The winds, which should have been their allies, shifted unexpectedly, leaving them adrift at sea. Rain fell not as a gentle drizzle, but as a torrential downpour that drenched the men and threatened to capsize their vessels. Despite the challenges, Columbus remained undeterred. He believed that these weather anomalies were not mere coincidences, but signs from the heavens, guiding him to his destiny. He pressed on, his resolve unbroken, his spirit unwavering. His persistence was rewarded. On October 12, 1492, they sighted land. The New World, long sought after, lay before them. The weather anomalies that had plagued their journey seemed to vanish as suddenly as they had appeared. Columbus' voyage, marked by the unusual weather anomalies, marked a turning point in history. It proved that the world was not as small as previously believed, opening up new horizons for exploration and discovery. Today, we remember Columbus' voyage not just for the new world it discovered, but for the courage and determination it embodied. His ship logs, filled with accounts of the weather anomalies, serve as a testament to the unpredictability of the sea and the indomitable spirit of man.